Hey, what's up? It's Clayton Jake. And we're at work on my day off. We're at work. I'm showing Alex around. He's also a detailer. We're just chilling.
I've been detailing for 7 years, so I got experience.
Also, look how tan I look in this shirt. This is my favorite shirt right now. We got Jimmy over here. All right, come on, Alex. I'm just showing him around. It's Saturday. It's my first Saturday off, and so I'm just hanging out with my bro. I want to go swimming, but he doesn't, so I don't know. He also bought a metal detector, so he might do that. But I'm just showing him around my work because he's also a detailer. And actually, my boss used to be your boss. But now, Tim used to be your boss, but now he's my boss. Yeah. So Tim really wants him. Tim was like, dude, get your brother over here. I think it would be fun to work with you, but I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just showing him around right now. We are at TJ Maxx now. Alex is telling me what nails he likes to wear.
Well, I wore them at work one time. It was...
That's awesome. I should get some nails. Alex, happy Pride Month, by the way. It's Pride Month. What do you think about that?
It's Pride Month?
Yeah, it's Pride Month, the whole month. You want to come to Pride? You want to come to Pride with us? You can wear your nails and everything.
It was something like that.
That one?
The almond ones.
You wear it to work?
Yep.
Alright, so this is the ones Alex wears. How much is it? What was the price at? Oh, only $5. This is what Alex's wear. I see it. It looks nice.
No, it was medium. Medium fits me perfectly.
Medium.
Like this is large.
Which ones? If I did wear nails, I would wear.
So like, what kind? Do you want like long ones, short ones?
No, I would. Well, first of all, I chew my nails, so I don't think I would ever be able to wear them.
So
oh, I think these are cute. I think these are cute.
What? Are they medium? Oh, I can fit in these. Yeah,
You want me to get you them?
I'm not gonna wear nails.
Why?
I
I think it's the shirt. I don't know. My hair's been looking really good. I feel like I need a haircut though.
We're twins. We're wearing blue.
Oh, we are not twins. I'm way fucking hotter than you. But I was planning on getting my hair dyed like that. I think it's cool.
Like highlights.
Yeah, I think it'd be cuter like if you wore your hair up.
You need your hair long.
I'm actually planning on it. You know, I'm planning on it. I feel like I need a haircut, but like I think I'm gonna.
Now, dude. I like your afro. Your afro's the best.
Should I go? Yeah, should I get that kind of hair back?
Oh, dude, I love that hair. Nice.
Just hanging out with my bro. Going on a little walk. I'm so glad. Actually, today, literally, what happened is, it's Saturday. It's my day off, and I like stayed up all night watching TV. Fell asleep at like fucking 3 a.m. in the morning because I wanted to like sleep throughout the day because I didn't really have any plans because Allison works and wasn't really thinking about you. My bad. Sorry about that. What happened is at 7 a.m. in the morning, Allison FaceTimes me. And I was like, dude, it's my day off. And she's like, oh, yeah, I forgot about it. Bye-bye. Then she hangs up. They go back to bed. And then at 10 o'clock, she FaceTimes me again. And she's like, oh, I'm hungry. Go buy me some food. And I'm like,
go buy you some food.
Yeah, so, buy your own food? Well, she's at work. She was at work. So I bought her some food. And then I was like, okay, I'm up already. I need to go buy some stuff like laundry detergent and shit like that because I need to finally do my laundry and everything. So today was going to be my like cleaning day. Doing my laundry, doing my dishes, like I was gonna prepare food, you know. I was gonna buy a lot of food and prepare, but then Alex called me while I'm at Walmart and it's like, all right, we're hanging out, right? And I'm like, okay, come on down. Literally, today was gonna be my like cleanup day, but then you said it. But no, I'm so happy because I need to get out and do something too. Thank you.
I hate sitting in the house.
Same, because
yeah, a piece of rhubarb.
You're goofy, man. Oh my. Alex, you remember the time you ate a spider for my YouTube video?
Yeah.
That was funny. Dude, this guy
not ready yet.
Hey!
Oh, the thing's not ready yet. Oh.
Remember the time when we were kids and you like were throwing a shot and you hit me in the head with a basketball? So I was like, get your ass over here. And I chucked the basketball at your head.
Oh yeah.
Dude, we were crazy kids.
I miss those days.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should go down there. Oh wow, there's like what the
damn. Hey, maybe I should just jump off this. Is this a sign from the universe just to jump off?
Pretty much suicidal. It's a suicidal drop.
All right, let's go this way.
In the valley.
We're longboarding now. Hey. That's it. That's how fast you can go. Jeez, you slowpoke. Hey, there you go. Now he's a show off. Hey. Yeah, now he's a show off. Now I gotta go catch up. Hey, get you a brother that can put your groceries in the car for you. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Gotta use those manly man arms.
Jesus.
Thank you, Alex. I appreciate that. I appreciate him a lot. He's a great guy. So yeah, I just bought a supper. I'm gonna cook us some supper. All right, we're back home now. This is what we're eating. I've actually been eating this like all week. This is it. That's what we're eating. I think we're gonna go live on TikTok. Just cause I went live the other day and it was nice. It was nice going live. I used to go live every single day. So maybe I'm gonna start doing that again. Yeah, oh yeah, if you wanna put it on the TV. My fridge, Ashley, you're not gonna look at it.
Yeah, it's just not the prettiest.
Well, there's nothing in it. I'm just saying I finally got.
There's like nothing in there. Look at that.
That's pretty good. I mean, for like a one person, that's pretty good. Like I got the chicken.
My fridge has more than that.
Yeah, I got a lot.
Your fridge ain't.
It's just easier to cook frozen food. All right. Yeah, we're gonna listen to some music. We're gonna eat. We're gonna chill. Yeah. I'm trying to find Allison right now, and I followed her. I find my iPhone. This is where I'm at. How fucking sketchy is this shit? It's past my bedtime. What am I doing? Damn. I'll catch you guys up if I actually find her. Damn, look how scary this looks. Oh, there they are.
Hey, Patrick is gonna ride with you alone. You're gonna take him to his truck. He's gonna come back with the kayaks, okay?
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You don't happen to have a towel, do you?
Yeah,
No.
he probably might.
Oh, wait. I don't know. Okay. All right, come on in.
Okay, being a towel. Can he just sit on your shirt?
Yeah, that's fine.
Here,
I just don't want to soak your seat if I don't have to.
here.
Here, grab me that. Here.
I put something out there you can sit on.
There you go. Come on in.
Literally.
Come on in.
Hey,
What?
you are my best friend in the entire world. Thank you so much. I literally appreciate you more than life.
See myself.
Okay, dude.
Yeah, where are you?
Hey, you are my bestest friend in the
Okay.
entire world. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. You're amazing.
Yeah.